Hello, I'm Steve. This is Bit of Munch. Yes, it's Noodle Tuesday again. Now, last week, they're the wrong way round. There we go. I set up a poll asking you which one of these you wanted me to review today. And over 100 of you voted. And the winner is, well, you know what the winner is because you've seen the title of the video. Koka Sichuan Mala Flavour. Now the other two are spicy beef and creamy hot chicken. I'll definitely be trying them at some point. Whether I do a review, I don't know yet, because I've got rather a lot of noodles at the moment. Right, these were very kindly sent to me by Golden Meadows, which you'll know if you saw my recent video. And so thank you very much to Golden Meadows. Just because I got these free doesn't mean that my review will be biased, because I'll still be completely honest. If you watch me regularly, you'll know that I'm always honest. So if I think they're rubbish, I'll say they're rubbish. Although I don't think they will be. Right, instant broad noodles. Broad and bouncy. Yay, lovely. Soup style. And these are spicy, 2 chili rating according to that. Now there's a definition on the back here of what broad and bouncy means. So let's have a look. It says, notching up the heat level for Koka is a series of fiery flavours designed to ensure that the soups are well lapped up with the broad and bouncy noodles, making every bite a perfect combination of savoury and spicy. These are made in Singapore, as you probably know. And I've looked through the ingredients, and these are definitely going to have Chinese flavours, because you've got Sichuan pepper, chili, ginger, black pepper, cardamom, and star anise. So yeah, and oh yeah, one thing I noticed earlier: these have also got seaweed in them. You get a little sachet of dehydrated vegetables, which contains carrot, seaweed and chilli. And the way you prepare them is, open lid halfway, empty seasoning and vegetable sachets into bowl, add boiling water, close lid, mix well and serve. So let's open it halfway and have a look. If I can open it. I'm trying to open it without the lid tearing. There we go. Okay, that's halfway. So, there's your broad and bouncy noodles. And here is dehydrated vegetables, seasoning powder and seasoning oil. Right, what else can I tell you before I get all broad and bouncy? He's a vegetarian, by the way. Do you want to have a look at the nutrition information? There it is, if you want to have a look at it. If it'll actually focus on it. Let's move it back a bit. There you go. Right, I'll get them prepared. And we'll find out what they're like. Looking forward to these. I've got a glass of water ready. I've got my soy sauce ready, in case I need it. Don't know if I will or not yet. Right, okay, here goes. They are done. I don't think I can show you. There we go. Let's tip you up a bit. There you go. That's a better view for you, isn't it? Right. These definitely smell. Well, they smell quite dangerous, to be honest. And judging by the red all round the edge of the tub there could be a lot of chilli in this. They smell very oriental. Definitely smell the star anise. And there's a sort of vegetable-y undertone to that as well, which I assume is the vegetables. Right, let's get broad and bouncy. Here goes. Oh, they're spicy. They are very spicy. Yeah. You can see the, oh, that one fell off. You can see the way some of the red is sort of clinging to the noodles. The noodles themselves are a really good texture. The flavour is definitely oriental, definitely very spicy. I'll try some of the soup in a minute as well. Very well seasoned. I like these. Yeah, these are good. It said a 2 chili rating, didn't it? Definitely. Oh yes. A very high 2 in my opinion. But not unpleasant. You know, I tried some noodles recently, you might remember. The ghost chili ones. Ghost pepper, whatever you want to call them. And they were unpleasantly spicy. These are really nice. Right, you can see lots of little red flecks in this soup. Oh, that's notched up the spice level even more. But again, not unpleasantly so. He said, having trouble talking. These are very good. And my nose is starting to run. I think this is going to be pretty filling as well, because it's a big old tub, isn't it? I recommend them. They're great. And I don't need to add any soy sauce, because there is soy sauce. Well, I don't know if there is soy sauce. I saw soy in the ingredients. But yeah, apart from that, there's enough flavour there, or enough different flavours going on, that you don't need to add any soy sauce to it. And it's really well seasoned, it's salty enough. Very, very good. Oh, on a chilly day, that would really warm you up. I mean, it's not really chilly today, it's sunny, it's quite mild, nice spring day. Believe me, this is warming me up. As I said, in a pleasant way. It's not a harsh heat, like those ghost pepper noodles were. This is a really warming heat that gradually goes down. I'm going to enjoy the rest of these, definitely. Right, I'm looking forward to trying the other 2 now. I probably will review them. Let's get them, I'll put them in the cupboard, let's get them back out. What were they? Spicy beef and creamy hot chicken. And Yeah, they're both a 2 chilli rating as well. So I will review them at some point. Might do them both on the same day. That'd be a bit crazy, wouldn't it? Right, thanks for watching that one. I don't know if you can get these in the shops yet. If you can, please let me know where, because I don't know. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.